Hey guys, Technomi here. So welcome to the unboxing and review of the Sennheiser CX 180. So let's get started.
When there's no more light that you can see, I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier.
First of all, let's see what's inside the box. Nothing too flashy here, pretty much simple. You get the earphones and extra ear tips with various sizes. That's all. I consider Sennheiser CX 180 as one of most complete earphones in the price range of 800 rupees. Let's find out why. From the previous videos on this channel, you can know that most important thing in any earphones is that how they sound, and Sennheiser CX 180 sound really good compared to their price. These earphone offers really punchy bass and balanced mids and lows. Compared to the JBL and Skull Candy in the same price point, I will say that these earphones sound little bit better than those earphones. Although sometimes high frequencies produced by the earphones are little bit overpowering, which means that you will feel that sound produced by these earphones will be sharp in your ears, but that's all good. So now let's talk about the build quality of the earphones. I will say that build quality of these earphones is both pro and con, because it hits some corners right and some don't. First of all, let's talk about the 3.5mm headphone jack. It is gold plated, which will certainly help in better conductivity. It is L-shaped, unlike the other earphones, feels really sturdy, so it prevents it from breaking near the joint. I would say that cable on these earphones is the only downside of the earphones, because when you look at the cable for the first time, you find it very cheap and so much thin. But for me, sound quality of the earphones makes up for it. One of most underrated feature of these earphones is how well they fit into your ears. Ear tips of these earphones are really soft and provide nice bit of isolation from the external noise. Small size of the earpieces makes them fit really well into your ears and feels really compact. And these do not protrude from your ears as like other earphones because of their small size. So who should buy these earphones? Anyone who is looking to buy earphones in sub 1000 rupees range, this is a must have. I have used these earphones in past and I really like what they offer for the price point. So that's all. If anyone want to buy these earphone, I have linked them in the description. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.